Effective digital advertising strategies. Optimize your website to improve visibility on search engine results pages for relevant keywords. Create valuable content. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to build brand awareness and engage with your audience. Run targeted ads on search engines or social media to drive traffic to your website. Target targeted email campaigns to promote products, share valuable content, and nurture leads. Collaborate with influencers in your industry to promote your products or services to their followers. Create and share engaging videos on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram to educate and engage your audience. If you want to know more, you can read our article link in our description box.
To get any service about digital marketing, you need to visit our website www.mersenz.com and contact us.